Hi guys, here's a quick open box review and quality test for high heat shrink tubing tube. This comes with about 162 pieces with 9 color and 6 different sizes. The product is actually made in China. You can see the shrink ratio is 2 versus 1, so it's about to shrink by half. The degrees highest temperature is 125 Celsius, so basically you don't need a very high temperature to shrink it. Let's open the box to see what's included. They have 9 different colors, each one about 4 inch long, 162 pieces. This is blue color, this is red color. They also white color, black color. Let me do a quality test. I'm using this shrink wrap and just using my heat gun. Just to heat it up, you can visually see the diameter is actually shrinking roughly by half. Very effective, very tight, good insulation. This is must have for any electronic technician work, even for the home hobby project. Really like it. 5 stars. Thank you.